Welcome! Exciting news, tech fans. OnePlus is about to drop a bombshell, the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro, the Ace 2's impressive successor. Let's dive into the buzz. Mark your calendars for August 16th, 2:30 p.m. local time in China. The launch event will be live-streamed on Weibo and other platforms. Design? Sleek, just like OnePlus 11 series. A cool half-pill island with a circular camera setup in black and green. Display dazzles 6.7-inch curved OLED, 5K resolution, 120 Hz refresh rate, and 1600 nits brightness. Rainwater touch control for rainy days and sweaty palms. Fingerprint scanner smoother and higher. Inside, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, a whopping 24 GB RAM, 1 TB storage, and epic Tiangong cooling. Battery Beast 5000 mAh with 150W flash charge. Say hello to 45 WPD for laptops and gaming. Plus, UFCS Fusion fast charging. Price remains secret. All will be revealed on launch day. Brace yourselves for the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro. Stay tuned, tech lovers, and subscribe for more.